Ivanovic, nice matchup. Lebek, no one helps, just blows past people to the easy 2. Lebek, Vidmar dives, great pass. And Needham has to make a decision. Does he help or stay? Because he did neither. Nice floated pass. And Vidmar just says, not in this house or in any house. Lazic tries to turn it into points, which he does. Oh, thrown hard. This game is going to go right down to the white. Lazic comes off the screen. Oh, nice pass. Easy 2. Options will recycle. A great little cut. Inside, outside. Lazic wide open for 3. In the book for Slovenia. Off the high screen. Vrhunci tries to turn the corner. Moves it on. Pelch for 3. Oh, from deep.